So let's begin. First thing is ki I want to start with the basics. Is the fact ki you were mentally prepared ki chalo 8 तारीख या whatever the date was, your thing, your baby, your own project is going to be coming. People are going to be seeing it, and suddenly one fine day you wake up and realize, "Arey yaar, ye to abhi nahi aa raha. It's got pushed for indefinite period of time."
Yeah. So couple of things, right? Your heart feels hurt and upset and let down and crushed. But your brain tells you that Tanuj, it's okay. It's not like the project got shelved or something. ऐसे नहीं कि picture डब्बे में रह गई. It's definitely going to come out, and it's going to come out in a big way. It's come out, and God willing, it will perform wonders. And it's a bit of a niche show, so I'm not expecting numbers, say like an Inside Edge or something. But at the same time, you know, it's got a very good home at Hotstar, at Disney Hotstar, and it's got a very good home in the UK and US Amazon. So I'm really excited, and as they say, man, better late than never, you know.
Exactly. That's how we started, and you know that's going to be the most positive note that we are going to be taking the conversation ahead with.
Right.
But ek baat batao, I'll be very honest with you. I can have that space where I can be very honest with you. I haven't seen the whole show yet. I haven't seen it yet. I've seen the first few episodes and I've enjoyed it. Okay, I've seen the first few episodes. I've enjoyed it. I'm looking forward to finishing the rest. I think 3 or 4 जो है वो भी मैं खत्म करके definitely I'll get back to you on how I felt regarding the whole thing.
Yeah.
But before we talk about the show and whatever I've seen, what are the kind of conversations and you know comments, feedback, be it good, bad, you're hearing from people around you, be it the critics, be it your friends? What's it like?
So it's been very interesting because see, for me, bro, I've never attempted to play a character as negative as Kahar. Before.
अब तो डरना पड़ेगा आपसे बाबा. You are like a don. अब तो डरना पड़ेगा आपसे.
So it was a conscious decision for me to kind of get away from the Vayu Raghavans and the Angad Sandhus from Codem and the Ranveer from Poison and so on and so forth. Because for me as an actor, look, I'm not here to be India's next superstar or something. I want to be known as a good actor. I think if you're good at your job, everything else will just fall into place accordingly. So when Shravan, our director, came to me and offered me this, he was a little tentative because he's like, sir, आप तो lead role ही करते हो, ये तो villain का role है, screen time इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है. I'm like, आप बस कहानी narrate कीजिए ना, अगर मुझे पसंद आए, if I like it, I promise you I will do it. And half an hour later, we finish the narration, we shake hands. I'm like, just tell me where to sign. I am on. Because for me, na buddy, I want to showcase different facets of my personality and my acting chops to you guys, to the audience. So you'll never get bored of me. Now, what happens is when you're being experimental, there will be times where you succeed, and there'll be times where you just fall flat on your face. And I'm prepared to take that risk because I'd rather take those risks and keep things interesting for you all as well as for myself. If I do the same kind of acting on every show, across every platform, and I look the same also, then within 1 year, I will be sitting at home and I will not have any work. God forbid. So for me, this was very exciting. And I think once you finish watching the entirety of the show, you'll understand why I signed on. Because for me to say anything currently would be would pose as a spoiler. So
which I don't want.
I'm going to let you finish watching the show, the 7 episodes in total, and then we can have that conversation.
Yeah, I'm almost halfway done. I'm almost halfway done. It's just about one night, and I can finish it and probably
done, my friend. I say you've only just begun. मजा तो अब शुरू होगा.
क्या बात है? Picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. That's what it is. But you know, I want to ask you this question, and you know, I remember when during the lockdown when it started, you know, things started getting difficult, and you know, we believed in the format of becoming Atmanirbhar. I think that's something that you did as well by creating your own short film. I remember you sent it to me as well. I shared it on my Insta. I shared it with my friends as well. I loved it. I loved it, and I want to just ask you this thing that at a time when things were difficult, and because you mentioned this very important point about breaking away from the image that you probably had in an Inside Edge or something. Do you think the personal, I would say, hard work and efforts that you've been putting in terms of creating, अगर कोई और मेरे को किसी दूसरे रोल में नहीं लेगा तो मैं अपने आप को उस वे में कास्ट करके बना लूंगा कुछ. So do you think these efforts play a part in actually getting casted in these kind of scripts?
Very interesting question, bro. See, it's not about I'm working so hard so that if someone else doesn't cast me, I'll cast myself. By the grace of God, there's a good amount of work happening right now. Even, touch wood, even with the pandemic and all. But having said that, I think as an actor, it's like a sportsman. Or it's like any walk of life. you have to constantly keep at it and keep working on your skills, keep wanting to get better. When I wake up in the morning, I need to have that fire in my belly. I want to get better. Because no actor, not an Amitabh Bachchan, not an Anthony Hopkins, wakes up in the morning and says, "Oh, I'm the best." Everyone knows that you're only one bad day away from becoming a mediocre actor. One bad day at the office is all it takes. I might do 10 great scenes, but if I'm very bad in one scene, you'll be like, "Yeah,
absolutely.
Ye kya acting kar raha hai?" So
and
for
unfortunately,
me,
they don't remember the 10 good things that you have done.
So the key is you have to be very honest to yourself about where you are. See, currently, I'm 34 today. When I was, say, in my 20s, I was in a different headspace, even personally, and hence professionally. OTTs were not a thing. Now OTTs are bigger than they've ever been before. I've matured as an individual, and hence you will see that maturity permeate into my performances. You know, it could be a Kamadipura, it could be another show, whatever it is. So I find it very fascinating. And my whole idea of working on myself is just to stay motivated. See, like it became a sort of trend. Everybody suddenly took to cooking during lockdown. Even I did that. But cooking is not, I'm not coming to become some Michelin star chef. I would rather work on things that that will help me when this horrible phase of our lives finally comes to an end, So I can take it back to my work and be like, hey, I've got some new tricks up my sleeve now. I can do, मैं ये भी कर सकता हूँ, वो भी कर सकता हूँ. पहले मैं नहीं कर सकता. And I just wanted to become more technically sound as an actor. I wanted to learn filmmaking from the other side, because I feel if you have a certain knowledge about scripting, about editing, about where the camera is placed, about lensing, about sound design, all these things, it somewhere helps you as an actor as well. Because at the end of the day, this is film acting, right? I mean, it's the power of the close-up. It's not like you're standing on stage. I'm not standing at the theater. I'm not performing at Broadway, though that would be fantastic.
Amazing.
But I'm saying, so because I'm a film actor and I'm acting on the web space, I've tried to hone my skills, keeping that specifically in mind.
And I think that's working for you as well. So अगर कुछ चीज अच्छा चल रहा है तो
माशाल्लाह
वो जाने दो. Of course it is going, and मैं अकेला कौन होता हूँ बोलने के लिए? There are so many others who are telling you the same thing. But if it's working for you, definitely play it. But you mentioned a very interesting point. When you started at the very beginning, OTT was not really a thing, which takes me to the next question that I have. मैंने एक भी सवाल prepare नहीं किया, because I know it will be a very freewheeling conversation whenever it's you.
Yeah.
You mentioned that OTT was not a thing when you started and you were just, breaking into the scene. I want to know that, do you feel कि अगर उस time पे OTT रहता, which would have given probably an equal and fair amount of, say platform to, be it a superstar or be it a very talented actor trying to make his or her name, do you think things would have been a lot easier compared to what it was actually for you in the initial years? Because it was not really easy.
I don't care, because I don't think I signed up for easy. And I feel I would have been a very different kind of
I love the
human.
attitude.
I would have been a very different kind of human and a very different kind of actor, because I was humbled in the first 3 years. Like honestly, like when I first joined the industry, I was pretty cocky. I'm like, my mom has ruled the roost for so many years and stuff. I'm a son. People will accept me with open arms and stuff. And nothing could be farther away from the truth. It really couldn't. And once I hit the ground, not once, not twice, but thrice, because I had 3 films that came out and nobody went to see them. It was extremely humbling, and I feared for myself. I feared for my for the longevity of my career. And out of that fear, something was born. That steel that I have that I can proudly say I have today, in my gut, in my belly. That fire is born out of that. So I feel if OTT existed then and I was getting good offers, I would just have been served everything on a golden platter, and I would not value it. Today I understand the value. Today when I see actors cribbing, "Arey itna kaam karwa rahe, arey 12 घंटा तो खत्म हो गया और कितना काम करेंगे?" I'm like, dude, every single day, every single shot, every single word that comes out of my mouth when I'm acting in front of the camera is a blessing, and I'm grateful to God, and I'm grateful to all the people who have given me that opportunity today. Because I have known times, people think it's very easy for star kids and all. I know times. There have been many months where I've been sitting at home just staring at my phone, hoping, wishing, praying that, "Arey, please,
call aa jaye.
Will the call come back?" And eventually the call did come, and he said, "Sorry, sir, we have taken someone else." So I've been in that position, and because of that hunger's there. I feel that hunger would not have been there if I got things too easy.
Yeah. Well, I hope ये जो भूख है ये रहता है, it continues to remain, but you keep getting some good food, for yourself. तो वो hunger अभी भूखे मरो मत, लेकिन भूखे रहो. That is what my wish would be always for you. But I want to ask you this thing, and it's a very important question that definitely arises. Is the fact that I'll not put you in any spot of bother or controversy because I don't want you to go through any of that. But this name Kamatipura, I mean there was a lot of buzz for all the wrong reasons with Gangubai.
Yeah.
This had I don't know if this had something to do with your series getting pushed further. I just want to ask you a very simple question. Do you feel in today's time people take things in an offensive manner a bit too easily? Do you feel that? This is my only question.
See, definitely. I mean, and look, I'm not one to mince words because my thought process on this matter is very clear. I was disappointed that Kamatipura could not be used as a title, at least in India.
Because I think it would have been.
Because I thought it was a catchy title, and for us, Kamatipura, we're not here to demean anyone or any of the sex workers or that area at all. It's just the setting where this murder mystery, where the serial killer is on the loose, and it's basically that. But along with that, Kamatipura also happens to be a character on our show. And I found the name to be very, very captivating. In fact, I had never visited Kamatipura, even though I'm a Mumbaiker. After I signed the show, I went there because I wanted to understand the essence of the place. Like just get a feel of the texture of the place.
Kaisa hai jagah in reality.
But certain people had things to say and they were offended. And well, if you're offended, you're offended. I mean, it's sad. And as I said, I'm not here to offend anyone. If you see, especially in the last 1.5 years, it could be a Codem, it could be a Poison, it could be an Inside Edge. I make sure that, okay, I'm not saying you can watch these shows with your entire family, but I would not like to be part of any content which is offensive or where we are exploiting the privilege of censorship and stuff because it's not a film and and so on and so forth. But I knew in my heart, my conscience was clear because I knew we had not done anything wrong and there was nothing frowned upon on the show itself. I mean, when you watch the show, you will see for yourself. Yeah, there's some foul language, but that's because it's realistic. There's some blood and gore. That's because it's a crime drama. But apart from that, Zabardasti, we have not put anything in. But we as a team decided that since Kamatipura as a title was causing so much of anger amongst the ranks and all, we're like, okay, what's in the name? Didn't Shakespeare say that himself?
Absolutely.
At the end of the day, if your content is good, your content is king, it will work. You could have the flashiest, catchiest name in the world, but if it has no soul, then there's no freaking point. Okay.
Absolutely.
It's as simple
Absolutely.
as that.
I totally agree. वो Kamatipura हो या ये tattoo murder हो, कुछ भी हो, it doesn't matter. What matters is कि अंदर क्या है. वरना लोग देखेंगे, वरना नहीं देखेंगे.
My parents decide to rename me Brad Pitt. Doesn't mean I'll start looking like Brad Pitt, no. And I don't want to. I love Brad Pitt, but I want to.
You better be Tanuj Virwani.
I'm Tanuj. Be happy with Tanuj.
You better be Tanuj Virwani. That is all that matters. But last question before I let you go, brother, is the fact कि अभी देखो हंसी मजाक का भी थोड़ा बात कर लेते. There's IPL and I know what a lovely cricket fan and a fanatic you are. You have decided to play as well, but unfortunately, So are you catching up with all the games daily? Because I know you love cricket.
Absolutely. I kind of structure.
So whom are you supporting? Am I?
So basically, my two favorite teams are Chennai Super Kings and Mumbai Indians. I would actually say Chennai has my heart, but Mumbai is
because of Dhoni, right? You're saying that because of MSD, right?
Yeah, man, MSD for life. I also, what I love about Chennai is that they've always stayed very committed and loyal to their core team, and that's why they've won so many titles over the years. I believe they're the oldest team in the IPL when you talk about the age of each of the players and stuff, but they back their players, and that's where the players come good. You can't give your player 1 or 2 or 3 chances, and if he doesn't perform, you just like throw him out of the team. These guys back their talent, and that's what is important.
And that's, I think, pretty much the success mantra for Mumbai Indians as well. If you see, they've backed their main players throughout all these years.
These are certain franchises which are just like chop and cut and this, nothing will happen. You might have a good match, but it's not possible for you to, over a course of 14 matches, to have a good season because you need consistency. Yeah,
absolutely.
You'll go faster alone, but if you want to go ahead, it's further together.
Work as a team. That is what is needed.
Work as a team. It's a team sport.
Yeah. But I'm looking forward to finishing the last 4 episodes and letting you know कि भाई मुझे कैसा लगा.
Looking forward to that. Let's chat once we're done. Yeah,
absolutely, absolutely. And what I want to do the next time for reality is कि ये जब situation better हो जाए, just like how we discussed during that live, I really want to have a cricket game with you at your house. मुझे पता नहीं वो कब मौका आएगा वापस, but looking forward to that.
I'm going to turn the camera around. I've got a little pitch over here. See.
Oh my God, you're enticing me with that. The soil, it's enticing me. But let's wait till it can happen. And looking forward. Thank you so much. Lovely to see your smiling face again.
Stay safe. Lots of love you always.
Same to you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.